Hey there, Alex Kidman from Alex Reviews Tech, and once again I have, well, nothing to unbox. I will never tire of that joke, even though you probably did. These are the Nothing Ear 3s to unbox. They've just literally just arrived, and if you ever watch any of my unboxing, you know how this goes. I just tend to go for it. Although, I'm going to pause here for a second and just say, it deeply annoys me, and I know how design-centric Nothing is, that the Ear 3 label there is printed upside down. If I want it the right way up, then the Nothing bit is the wrong way around. Gets my brain nothing. Don't like it. Don't like it. But this is packaging. Nobody really cares about packaging. Let's get into this. I think this handy little red tab is going to be the way to go. So let's pull a red tab and... Oh, that was exciting. Do we need more? Yeah, okay, we do. We need to get into this thing. Yeah, I'm guessing that was meant to be more dramatic or something, or is this meant to open from the side? I'm not sure what's going on here. I did say I'd just go for this, so I think I shall just go for this with a little bit of violence and a little bit of bumping of the camera. Sorry about that. And a little bit of packaging that's not going to look so great if Nothing wants its packaging back. But, well, Nothing, you built it. And here we have the Nothing Ear 3. Now, of course, the interesting thing about this, aside from the design, Nothing does like an unusual design. We've seen that in their headphones in the past, is that this case itself, we'll see there it has the word talk on it. It's because the case itself has microphones in it. It's a really interesting idea. Now, I am not going to test and append that to this video straight away. I do want to put these through my usual test criteria, which includes microphone recording, of course, but I want to see what the difference is between just using the buds and using the buds and the case, and of course, whether or not they're comfortable running, what the battery life's like, and what they sound like. And all of that will be coming in my full review, which you'll be able to see real soon. Thanks for watching.